Keto, or the ketogenic diet, has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put the body into a state of ketosis. In this state, the body starts using fat as its primary source of energy instead of carbohydrates. This article will discuss the benefits and drawbacks of the keto diet and provide tips on how to follow it correctly. What is keto? The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that focuses on limiting carbohydrates and increasing fats to put the body into a state of ketosis. When the body is in a state of ketosis, it starts producing ketones, which are molecules produced from the breakdown of fat in the liver. These ketones are used by the body as an alternative source of fuel instead of glucose. Ketosis can be achieved by following a strict diet that is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. The standard keto diet usually consists of 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. However, some people may choose to follow a more liberal version of the keto diet, where the ratio of fat, protein, and carbs is adjusted to fit their specific needs. Benefits of keto. Weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. The low-carb, high-fat diet helps reduce appetite, leading to a reduction in calorie intake. Additionally, the body uses fat as its primary source of energy, leading to weight loss. Improved energy. The keto diet helps improve energy levels by providing a steady source of fuel to the body. The low-carb, high-fat diet helps reduce blood sugar levels, which leads to a reduction in energy crashes and fatigue. Better mental clarity. The keto diet has been shown to improve mental clarity and cognitive function. The diet helps reduce brain fog and improves focus and concentration. Lower risk of diabetes. The keto diet helps reduce blood sugar levels, leading to a lower risk of developing diabetes. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Reduced risk of heart disease. The keto diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels. The low-carb, high-fat diet can help increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels while decreasing LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. Drawbacks of keto. The keto flu. The keto diet can cause flu-like symptoms in some people, including headaches, nausea, and fatigue. These symptoms are usually temporary and can be alleviated by increasing water intake and consuming more electrolytes. Nutrient deficiencies. The keto diet restricts many food groups, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. It is essential to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods to avoid deficiencies. Difficulty sticking to the diet. The keto diet can be challenging to follow long-term, especially if you are used to a diet high in carbohydrates. It is essential to plan meals and snacks carefully to avoid temptation and ensure that you are getting enough nutrients. Possible increase in cholesterol levels. While the keto diet can improve cholesterol levels in some people, it can also lead to an increase in cholesterol levels in others. It is essential to monitor cholesterol levels regularly while on the keto diet. Tips for following keto. Plan meals and snacks. Planning meals and snacks ahead of time can help you stick to the keto diet and avoid temptation. Choose nutrient-dense foods. The keto diet restricts many food groups, making it essential to choose nutrient-dense foods to avoid nutrient. Continue. Deficiencies. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals. Increase water intake. The keto diet can lead to dehydration, so it's essential to increase your water intake. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day, and consider adding electrolytes to your water to help replenish lost minerals. Monitor macronutrient intake. Keep track of your macronutrient intake, fat, protein, and carbs. to ensure that you are staying within the recommended ratios for the keto diet. Many apps and websites can help you track your macros. Include healthy fats. While the keto diet is high in fat, it's essential to choose healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and seeds. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. Be patient. It may take some time for your body to adjust to the keto diet. Be patient and give your body time to adapt to the new diet. Conclusion. The ketogenic diet can be an effective way to lose weight and improve overall health. It can lead to weight loss, improved energy levels, better mental clarity, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. However, it's essential to follow the diet correctly and address any potential drawbacks, such as nutrient deficiencies and difficulties sticking to the diet. By following the tips outlined above, you can successfully follow the keto diet and reap its many benefits.